Exercise in English. Jinjuku.
Where do you live?
In the ocean, in the sea, in a forest, in a lake, in a river, on the ground, on the beach, on the ice, on the farm, in the sky.
Where do you live? I live on the beach.
Octopus, octopus. There is an octopus in the ocean. In the ocean. Squid, squid. There is a squid in the sea. In the sea. Gorilla, gorilla. There is a gorilla in the forest. In the forest. Swan, swan. There is a swan in the lake. In the lake. Salmon, salmon. There is a salmon in the river. In the river. Ant, ant. There is an ant on the ground. On the ground. Crab, crab. There is a crab on the beach. On the beach. Penguin, penguin. There is a penguin on the ice. On the ice. Pig, pig. There is a pig on the farm. On the farm. Bird, bird. There is a bird in the sky. In the sky.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.